2 more. Nice job. This over here to our left is called the washing machine.
Now why is it called the washing machine?
Because it researched like a washing machine. Up forward. Nice job. Take a break. I like this eddy. This is a cool eddy. Or stop.
Oh, this is cool. I like it.
Lots and lots of practice.
I'm glad he knows all the names.
Here we go. All forward! Take a break, nice job.
You guys are doing a great job up front. Great job.
You're actually
taking
doing
all
a
the waves.
job.
Thank you.
4-2. Best job out of anybody I've taken down the river today. That's saying a lot. Had some good crews, had some bad crews.